The person who wrote it, her name was Rachel Yang. She was writing for Entertainment, and she wrote about specifically yesterday, because this happened yesterday evening in New York City, in the Schubert Theater, guys. A motorcycle backfired, and everyone in that area thought that it was a bomb, or it was gunshots that had gone off. Literally in the middle of a Broadway To Kill a Mockingbird show that the audience was posting on Twitter saying that it was amazing, it was astounding, one person tweeted. And in the middle of this show, all of a sudden, people from the outside ran into the theater and fell to the floor, screaming and yelling, and there was a stampede. And suddenly you had a wife on her knees crouching. She had to hold her husband down and push him to the exit just to get them out of the way of the stampede. And you had all of the cast members that were on stage in the middle of the show just run off stage. And just terrible craziness, basically. And the article reads where it's not just a straight reading. I actually enjoyed it. It was pretty nice and smooth, and it wasn't too short. It was a great length. But the article was more multimedia based, which a lot of articles that you read online are becoming more multimedia based.